Well, Trey and I were doing a run. We got almost back home, and he got to an area where it went from paved road to concrete, and it felt funny. Then it felt worse. We got a flat. We'd been going 35, 45 most of the way home. We finally got up almost to 50, and it was just too much for these old tires. So the spare's going on. It was a good thing to have. 13-year-old boy changing his first tire on the side of the road. Mom hasn't had to change a tire in probably 25 years. So our car jack is a scissor jack. It's great for these. And he already did a trailer tire earlier today for his grandpa. And we always know, don't leave without a spare. You just never know. We're probably a mile from home, half a mile. Made it easy that we already had the tools with us, huh?
Yeah.
You're a good guy. How many 13-year-old kids can do this these days? Probably not many. This is the first time he's had to change a tire on the side of the road. At least there's that. I said to him, now we're going to have to see about another one before we make another trip with it. Because if that one went... See, these sidewalls are cracked up. It's not hot. But yeah. You don't know how long that's going to last. Right in there, see? Better just to have it. Have that as the backup spare. Doing good? Are they a little stuck?
I put them on with the impact so they don't want to come off without a lot of weight to hold the tire where it is.
Okay. Oh, if you stand up and put your foot on it, that helps too. Cheater thing my husband taught me, have a pipe with you and put it on the handle so that you have leverage. The longer the handle is, the easier it is for you to get. Nice thing is, we're not in a hurry. It's almost milking time. It's dinner time. But we're not starving, super tired, and there's no urgency. We literally have to go down this road a half a mile. That one's giving you a hard time because it's low.
No, I have to lower it down to get weight on it, or else it's just going to try to spin the tires.
Uh-huh.
So I had to set it back down.
I see.
Forgot to break them loose before I lifted it.
I've done that. Remember in A Christmas Story when Ralphie helps his dad change a tire on the side of the road? I won't help. I'll just stay back and let you do it. I'll be the one with the bar of soap in my mouth. That dog's very bothered by us, isn't he?
Yeah.
You're doing great. Watch your hand. down there. Swings it around. I'd already be cursing because I would have hit my knuckles on the ground. I think we've made 3 trips with the trailer now.
This is the second one.
Yeah. We've been using it around the farm and doing some little jobs with it, cleaning up branches, and we used it in that video last week with the storm damage, hauling away branches and whatnot. We used it yesterday for it too. Good thing is we don't take the highway.
Didn't hurt the fender at all.
No.
I've seen them where the fender's just...
Oh yeah. Well, it really went once it went, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's just shredded to pieces. Look at that.
There's gravel in it.
Yeah.
There might be parts of the tire.
We called Dad, told him we were almost home. He offered to come and help. Told him Trey's got it. Trey's got it. Trey had these off and painted the wheels and everything, part of the whole rebuild job. Now you're going to have a white wheel and a silver wheel. I guess we don't have to buy a wheel and a tire, huh? Just a tire. Hush.
Got it lined up perfectly the first try.
Nice job.
Real bad on these ones. Nuts instead of bolts instead of nuts. So it lined it up perfectly.
We should probably look up. It's a 175. It says 80D13. See if we can find a match pair of tires. And swap that tire and have it on hand for the other one when it goes. You're doing good. All day I've been telling Trey, you're having a great day, aren't ya? He fixed a mower. We went and picked up his orange riding mower. It needs some work on it. He's had good things happening. He's been fixing things. And now he's fixing a tire. Some people would think, oh no, that's a bad part of your day, but minutes. Watch this trick. It's the neatest thing I ever saw. Learned that from his dad. Down! You'd think those people would hear their dog barking and come and call them in. And that's a tire change. Everybody, give this guy a thumbs up. He's a farm kid who knows how to do things. He was able to load this lawnmower up and get us home, fix the tire, and be done with our day.